Watch, listen and speak. Learn body parts. Face. This is face. Eyes. These are eyes. Nose. This is nose. Ear. This is ear. Lips. These are lips. Mouth. This is mouth. Teeth. These are teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Cheek. This is cheek. Chin. This is chin. Neck. This is neck. Head. This is head. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Hair. This is hair. Arm. This is arm. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Elbow. This is elbow. Leg. This is leg. Knee. This is knee. Foot. This is foot. Like, share and subscribe for fun learning videos. Thank you for watching.